Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dashboard cameras available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium device with all the bells and whistles, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive right into it. At number 5, we have the Tusao 3-channel 4K dashcam, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Despite its low price, this dashcam punches above its weight, offering 4K front recording and 1080p for both the rear and interior channels. It provides excellent coverage with a 170-degree front angle and 120-degree rear angle, ensuring minimal blind spots. The build quality is solid for its price point, featuring a compact design that doesn't obstruct your view. Performance-wise, the Tusao camera delivers crisp and clear footage, both during the day and at night, thanks to its night vision capability. The inclusion of a 64GB SD card is an added bonus, meaning you won't need to buy memory separately. The built-in Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to preview, download, and manage videos directly from your smartphone. However, the need for an ACC hardware kit to enable 24-hour parking mode might be a drawback for some users. This is a perfect choice for budget-conscious buyers or those who need reliable, basic coverage for their vehicle. While it lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, its affordability and decent performance make it a great entry-level option. Pros include its price, included 64GB card, and app control, while cons are the lack of an ACC kit and somewhat limited field of view compared to premium models. Coming in at number 4 is the GMAI Pop Dashcam Front and Rear. This camera stands out for its true 4K front recording and 1080p rear recording capability, which ensures high-quality footage no matter the scenario. Its 170-degree wide-angle front camera and 160-degree rear camera provide ample coverage, reducing blind spots. The included 64GB SD card is a nice touch, making it ready to use right out of the box. The GMAI Pop excels in night recording, thanks to its advanced HDR technology that reduces glare and enhances clarity in low-light conditions. You'll also appreciate the Wi-Fi app control, which lets you download and share your recordings directly from your smartphone. The optional rear inside configuration adds flexibility, allowing you to customize how you monitor your vehicle. While installation requires connecting wires manually, the process is straightforward with the help of the included tools and guides. This dashcam is ideal for those seeking high-resolution video quality at an affordable price. It's slightly more feature-rich than the Tusao model, but it doesn't support 360-degree coverage. Pros include its excellent night vision, free 64GB card, and dual camera setup, while cons are the manual Wi-Fi activation and wired installation process. At number 3, we have the SUVcon Dashcam Front and Rear. This triple-channel dashcam offers comprehensive coverage with its wide-angle front, 170 degrees, cabin, 150 degrees, and rear, 150 degrees cameras. It's perfect for those who want to monitor both the inside and outside of their cars simultaneously. The IPS screen ensures clear visuals from any angle, and the included 32GB SD card means you can start recording right away. Performance-wise, the SUVcon camera delivers decent 1080p resolution across all channels, which is good enough for most daily scenarios. The G-sensor and parking monitor are reliable features that ensure important footage is automatically locked during sudden impacts or collisions. Night vision is enhanced by 4 infrared LED lights, making it suitable for nighttime driving or rideshare drivers. Installation is straightforward, and users report that the interface is user-friendly. This dashcam is a great mid-tier option for users looking for a balance between price and performance. It's not as feature-packed as higher-priced models, but it gets the job done without breaking the bank. Pros include its triple camera setup, easy installation, and affordable price, while cons are its lower resolution compared to 4K models and limited advanced features like app control. Our runner-up is the Red Tiger Dashcam Front Rear, which offers a dual camera setup with Ultra HD 4K front and 1080p rear recording. This camera is perfect for those who want crystal clear footage capable of capturing road signs and license plates. The 170-degree front angle and 140-degree rear angle provide solid coverage, while the 3.18-inch IPS screen ensures sharp visuals during playback. The standout feature here is the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, which allow you to track your driving route, speed, and location in real time. The accompanying app lets you manage footage and settings directly from your smartphone, making sharing recordings a breeze. Night vision is top-notch thanks to HDR WDR technology, and the G-sensor locks collision footage to prevent overwriting. The Red Tiger also includes a 32GB SD card, but you'll need a hardwire kit to unlock full parking mode functionality. This dashcam is ideal for users who value high-definition recording and advanced features like GPS tracking. While it's not the most affordable, its premium quality footage and reliable performance make it worth the investment. Pros include 4K resolution, GPS functionality, and excellent night vision, while cons are the additional cost of a hardwire kit and slightly higher price. Taking the top spot is the Pruvio 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam. This premium dashcam offers unparalleled coverage with its 4 cameras, capable of recording the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle simultaneously in FHD 1080p. If you're looking for a true 360-degree solution, this is it. The build quality is excellent, featuring adjustable lenses and a compact design that ensures no dead angles. Performance is where the Pruvio shines. The time-lapse parking mode and built-in GPS provide added functionality for tracking routes and vehicle location. Night vision is enhanced with infrared lights and an f1.8 aperture, ensuring clear footage even in total darkness. The free 128GB SD card is a huge win, offering plenty of storage space for your recordings without needing an immediate upgrade. The app control is intuitive, allowing for easy setup and seamless sharing of videos. The Pruvio is perfect for users who want the ultimate dashcam experience, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet managers, or anyone needing comprehensive surveillance. Pros include 360-degree coverage, GPS functionality, and a free 128GB card, while cons are its higher price and the need for an ACC kit for parking mode. If you're serious about security, this is the dashcam for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best dashboard camera for your needs. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Until next time, drive safe and stay secure.